One, you need to get the weatherboard edges to go on the edge of the garage door, so the wider part goes to the top, and then you put the thinner part down to the bottom. Here you can see my husband applying the runner and the weatherboard on top of each other to screw it in. So as you can see from the video, my husband is making sure that the little L thing at the top goes into the hole at the top of the spring bracket. The red hone has to be on the right hand side, and this is where it goes, inside there.
Split pin goes in there.
And then the split pin goes just where my husband directed. You have to make sure it's really bent over the pin so it can't get out. Here's the other one.
Goes through there and bend it over. Stop it going out.
See, we've propped up the door with equal spaces. There's a little space here, and a little space here, and at the bottom we've used ply to prop it up. Here you can see we have got a spring bracket, so this just holds the spring coil in place on the timber above the door.
It's also the
It is also the lock catch. Next you find this piece of wire which has a little hoop on it, goes behind the spindle, comb spindle like that, and over the wheel. Before you screw these bits on, the square bits here, you just need to make sure that the comb won't catch anything, so no brickwork or no timber or any obstructions of any sort. Here you apply poach screws after you've made some pilot holes. Here you can see the kick plate is supporting this part of the spindle wheel. The wheel is in the channel and the wire is just on the inside with it. Wood screws are supporting this up to the timber. You can see the canopy door is fully fitted. You will see as I pull it up, I'll get to a certain point where it should be able to lift its own weight up thanks to the coils being tight enough. Here on the inside, you should see that the coil has wrapped nice and neatly. And there you have it, our canopy garage door is fitted.